Are we good?
Hey everyone, thank you for joining us. I'm Danielle from MLH.
I'm Nancy. I'm one of the directors from SacHacks.
Jen, Sacramento Marketing.
And Akshay, leading director at SacHacks. And today we're really excited to actually go over after the 36 long comprehensive hours you've spent actually hacking and making some phenomenal projects and connecting and working together all across the world. We're finally here with some much anticipated results. And with no further ado, let's just get into it. So as a quick recap for everyone who may have forgotten over these long, exhaustive 36 hours, here's a quick recap of our tracks, challenges, and prizes. We have our core tenets of design, code, and launch, each with the core underlying principles and prizes and categories that help emphasize how we want to focus on community and positive impacts and make sure that we're able to pay it forward with all of our hacks. And so we're really excited to show what our winning hackathon prizes are and hacks, and let's just get into it.
Hello everyone, again, I'm Danielle from MLH. I'm really happy to be here. And real quick, can we send some big thanks in the chats to our amazing organizers of this event? And then we'll get straight to the first prize, which is the GitHub Draw an Octocat competition. And the winner of that is Jenny Yao. So big congrats for your beautiful Bob Ross inspired Octocat. Everyone, please send big congrats to them in the chat. And up next, we have the best domain by domain.com. And the winner of that is findapet.online, also known as the Pet Date App Project. They made a web application that allows users to find pets to adopt or to meet other people's pets online. And then we have two winners for our Best Hardware Hack prize. The first winner is GameDuino. Big congrats to GameDuino for making a cute game made using an electronic display on an Arduino emulator. Congrats and enjoy your real life Arduino Uno. And our second winner is Capacity Assistant. They have made a hardware hack that allows users to track how many people are in a building by sensing when a person exits or enters an area. Finally, we have the best use of Google Cloud by Google. And the winner of that is Spritify. They used Google Cloud's machine learning and voice recognition APIs to make images and audio into automated music videos. So everyone send big congrats in the chat to our winners. I'm really proud of all the projects I saw this weekend. And that will be it for me. Thank you guys all for coming out. And then another big thanks to our organizers, and then I'll pass it back to them.
And right now we'll be going over the winners for design track. And for the next project for this track, for best UI UX with Sketch, the winner is Tidy Together. They made an iOS app prototype that helps housemates delegate chores equally and fairly and monitors household supply usage. And they win the 1 year of Sketch subscription for each member of the winning team. So big congrats to them.
And Best Design Without Code, sponsored by Adobe X, the third place goes to Study Room. They made a website for students that can communicate and study virtually during COVID times.
Next, we have the Best Design Without Code, second place, and the winners are Housemate Apps. They made an application that enables students to look for housemates while also providing information on their apartments in Davis, as well as giving students access to tips in all one application. And they're awarded $25 Amazon gift card and 1 year of 1Password Family's membership.
And for Best Design Without Code, sponsored by Adobe, the first place goes to One More Description. They made an online web game where the players explain words to each other, and it collects those descriptions and builds up a dataset, which is valuable for scientific research and technology development. And they won $50 Amazon gift card and 1 year of 1Password Family's membership per person.
Next up, we have the Best Design with Code. And for third place, we have Group Study Match. They made like a Tinder web application for university students to find and join study groups, and they won a $25 Amazon gift card with 1 year 1Password family membership.
And for Best Design with Code, second place goes to Pick-a-Box. They made a user-friendly web application where everyday Wikipedia users dive deep and learn from API-generated informational articles. And they won a $50 Amazon gift card and 1 year of 1Password family's membership per person.
And finally, we have the Best Design with Code first place, and the winning team is Green Cred Us. And their solution is aimed to reduce carbon emission by integrating blockchain technology to achieve a transparent and secure system for carbon credits transaction. And they won a 1 year Adobe Creative Cloud with $75 Amazon gift card and 1 year of 1Password family memberships for all the winning team, each member of the winning team.
And next, we've got the winners for the code tracks. So for Best Solo AR/VR Hack using Echo AR, the winner was Video Project, and they made a game. And Video Project allows you to play video through a picture made using Echo AR, and they won the $50 Amazon gift card for each single member of the solo team. For Best Mobile App, Studio Me was won, and what they made was an Android audio app, which was a virtual space to study, share resources, discover interests, discuss them with friends, and meet new ones. Users can easily find and connect with others who have similar tastes, interests, and personality, which is based on a taste test conducted on a Spritify machine learning analysis. And they won a $200 Bugsy credits, 1 year 1Password family's membership, and Wolfram awards for each member of the winning team. And for Best Data Science Hack, Nutshell won, and with Nutshell, long videos can be trimmed down to the key points. You will no longer have to wildly click through video and try to find the important parts. The key point clips from the original video are spliced together and presented in the summary video. And they won the HyperX Cloud 2 Red Gaming headsets and the Wolfram Award for each member of the winning team. Now for Best Game Dev Hack, third place goes to Dmbots. What they made was that Dmbot is a Discord bot that helps you manage your online Dungeons and Dragons games in the pandemic. It allows users to create and save characters on the platform, rolls dice, and manages combats. And they won a HyperX Cloud Stinger Core headset and the Wolfram Award for each member of the winning team. For Best Game Dev Hack, second place goes to Hunt for the Arts. They made a scavenger hunt with many simple tasks that a person can perform. This project creates interactions between the real world and people and reward them for those interactions, encouraging physical activity and social interactions. And they won a HyperX Pulsefire Core RGB gaming mouse, a HyperX Fury as Pro gaming mouse pad, and Wolfram Award for each member of the winning team. For Best Game Dev Hack, first place goes to Get Sac Online. They made a strategy game where you are tasked with getting Sacramento online. Players will have to work with their budget to plan, pick place, and maintain their service stations throughout the Sacramento region. And they won a HyperX Alloy FPS RGB mechanical gaming keyboard and Wolfram Award for each member of the winning team.
Awesome. And now, thank you, Jen. Now on to the IBM Prizes, with IBMC's third place hack being Smartsac. And Smartsac is a dashboard centered around helping understand and inform the community about things like crime rates, transportation, and food. The application gives insight about region-wise crimes, the timeline of the crimes, and simple analysis of the user to understand their surroundings and can therefore predict the next time a crime may occur. And so the amazing prize that comes with this is the Ultimate Year's Wonder Boom 2. along with a 3-month extension of their ML on Z instance for each member of the winning team. Next, for second place for the best IBM Z hack, we have Saunder. And Saunder is a machine learning web platform that helps connect visitors with the locals during their travels. And so Saunder itself is what helps travelers understand and communicate with new communities and environments through this machine learning web platform. And the prize that they got is an amazing quadcopter drone, along with a 3-month extension on the ML on Z instance for each member of the winning team. And finally, for our best IBM Z hack for first place, we have It Takes a Village. And It Takes a Village is a platform that utilizes machine learning and that helps the homeless find employment opportunities in their local area by generating a step-by-step plan and connecting with other community members that can help fund their journey. And they won a Blue Yeti USB mic, along with a Linux One server with 8 CPUs, 16 GB memory, a 300 GB disk, and the REG L8.3 or the Ubuntu 20.04. And this comes along with being there for 6 months at an amazing value. And there's also the 3-month extension of their ML on Z instance for each member of this winning team.
And then next up, we have the winners for the launch track. And for our best interdisciplinary hack, we have the Green Cycle. And this project is a community-based app where food is never wasted. Users can utilize this app to maximize a sustainable lifestyle by donating their spoiled groceries to local gardens. In return, they can be awarded with produce with small plants to grow in their backyard. And they win the $125 digital ocean credits and 1-year 1Password family membership, along with the Wolfram Award for each member of the winning team. And next up, we have the best community college hack, and the winner is Patrol Route for Safety and Security. This project revolves around the Asian community and how their elderly are being targeted by hate crimes around the world. This project serves to protect and ensure the safety of the community through using algorithms to help create the best patrol route in high Asian populated areas such as Chinatown. And they win the 24-ounce Hydro Flask and the $125 digital ocean credits, along with the 4 AOPS coupons and the Wolfram for each member of the winning team. Next up, we have the best startup idea, sponsored by 8VC, and the winner for that is SIF. And what they did was they help restaurant owners who don't have the time to sort online reviews and help them gain insight efficiently. This is powered by machine learning, and it gathers and visualizes data from online reviews and analyzes it to determine whether the entity is spoken of positively or negatively reviews. And they win the $250 digital ocean credits and the 1-year 1Password families membership, along with the Wolfram Award for each member of the winning team.
And now on to prizes by Citrus. And so Citrus is the Center for Information Technology in the interest of society. And this is a UC Davis organization that applies technology solutions to California's most pressing health and societal challenges. By sponsoring hackathons like SacHacks, Citrus recognizes students' technical and creative skill sets supporting the Citrus mission. And so with that, we have the best engineering hack sponsored by Citrus, which is a first place category of Homebase. And Homebase is a community engagement app that provides volunteer service and reconnection channels for neighbors and community residents isolated by COVID. Homebase has a specialized focus on charity and supports underserved communities by supporting specific services. And so the prize for this is a mini projector for each member of the winning team. We actually have a tie for this first place, and so the next first place for Citrus is Influencer X. And Influencer X is a platform that will connect the businesses with the perfect influencer using their advanced algorithms and data to analyze public social media profiles. And so the prize is also a mini projector for each member of the winning team. And now on to third place for the best Sacramento hack by Citrus, and that's Ilead. And Ilead is an interactive AI assistant that helps people who are blind or visually impaired navigate their environment and perceive the beauty of the world around them. And they get an air fryer for each member of the winning team. Next, we have Civia for second place of the Citrus Best Sacramento Hack. And this is a mobile application and resource designed for those without homes or in need of basic aid. Civia also provides users with an aggregated idea of locations where they can find food, water, and support. The prize is a Samsung 23.5-inch curved monitor for each member of the winning team. And finally, for first place for the best Sacramento hack sponsored by Citrus, we have Auxilium. And the prize is the new Apple Watch SE for each member of the winning team. Auxilium is a standalone website that shows free resources and services from nonprofits in the Sacramento area. As a participant, you can pick up free resources from physical locations within your county, or attend online events hosted by any nonprofit. As an event host, you can post events held safely in person or online that supports the local community of Sacramento. And with that, we want to finally close this off, these amazing announcements with a few last ones. First of all, the top 3 overall amazing hacks that we have found from this hackathon being first place, It Takes a Village, second place, Auxilium, and third place, One More Description. You've all done a great job. These were all very hard to judge, and amazing job with all of you. These are very, very close, and I couldn't have expected a better turnout and amazing set of diverse, amazing hacks as we saw today, or within these past 36 hours. And so just want to give amazing virtual applause for that. And just a couple more final announcements. So let's move on with that. So we want to give a giant shout out to our sponsors and partners, primarily our co-host IBM. They have helped us so much in so many ways with supporting this event, and they've done a phenomenal job in terms of being able to provide more of our diversity and insight into better using things like their ML on Z platform, and better encouraging developers to help with our commitment of positive impact for the community. And we also want to give a quick shout out to some of our core sponsors and partners, such as Design Buddies, MLH, HyperX, Adobe XD, 8VC, DigitalOcean, and the Citrus Banao Institute. And one more thing I'd like to just have everyone do is we do have that amazing form that's by IBM and us, and this is to help better understand more about your feedback and be able to get a good idea about how we can better serve all of you and continue this amazing movement with more amazing events like this, and help propagate the advancement of technology through Sacramento and beyond. And finally, we want to thank you all for coming, and please don't hesitate to check out all of our social medias. We have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Medium. And this is where we're going to post a lot of our amazing content following up from this amazing event, as well as lots of things like workshops and future events. And as always, don't forget to check out our YouTube as well, where we're going to be posting lots of our recordings from our workshops. And with that, happy hacking and good job, everyone. And just want to give one last quick shout out about the survey itself. And like with the survey comes an amazing prize opportunity. And the prize is 3 different random winners being selected in a raffle to actually get mentorship with 3 subject matter experts from IBMZ for 3 months, and within those 3 months, 3 hours fully dedicated towards helping you better achieve your goals in industry and understand how you'd like to move forward and get feedback from some amazing professionals. So that's another amazing opportunity and reason why you should take a chance to fill out the survey, which will not only help support more events, but give you an amazing opportunity to work with some amazing subject matter experts from the IBMZ community. Thank you once again, and happy hacking, and have a great rest, everyone.